very good point you brought forward. When we talk about Marathwada, it gets divided into two parts. One is where the ecosystem is matured, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar and Jalna, and rest of the Marathwada, maybe, as I said, Nanded and Latur are showing some transition. So that is one point. And second is what you precisely said, that if we want to change, we need to look at skill development. We will have a focus question on that. We will have to focus on the skill development part of it. Sunil sir, I will take next question to you. When you started your activity in Jalna, the location was not known as industrial location for sure. The way condition of Latur and Nanded is today, I think it was slightly inferior than that when it comes to industrial maturity. On that background, I want to ask you a question that how you could venture into export, and will that really be a right route for non-matured locations, maybe like Nanded and Latur. Don't misunderstand my word non-matured, because they are in the process of development. So whether they should look at or they should say no, let us cater to Indian market. What is your experience of last 30 years?
पहले मैं MIDC का बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ कि मुझे एक्चुअली पैनल के ऊपर बुलाया. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा सा मैं शेयर करूँगा. जैसे मुकुंद सर ने कहा कि आई स्टार्टेड एक्सपोर्ट समवेयर इन अराउंड 2000. I started export around 25 years back. I started my first export. मैं ये जालना औरंगाबाद ये पूरे रीजन का इकोसिस्टम मैं काफ़ी साल से बहुत क्लोजली नज़र रख रहा हूँ इसके ऊपर. स्मॉल स्केल एंड मीडियम स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़, इनके रडार के ऊपर एक्सपोर्ट जो है ना, इनके रडार पे जल्दी आता नहीं है एक्चुअली. दे आर सो बिजी इन सर्विंग डोमेस्टिक मार्केट. फॉर्चुनेटली इंडिया का डोमेस्टिक मार्केट इज वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड ओवर ए पीरियड इट हैज बिकम ए क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस एक्चुअली. सो इफ यू आर सक्सेसफुल in India, you are bound to be competitive in 180 countries in the world. But हमारा स्कैनर में जो है ना, बाहर का मार्केट जो है ना, हमारे स्कैनर में आता ही नहीं है. इंडिया का MSME का जो एक्सपोर्ट में कंट्रीब्यूशन है, that is about 46% export is happening to India. It is from MSME. And whereas Marathwada का यदि हम एक्सपोर्ट के अंदर परसेंटेज देखते हैं तो it is less than 5%. So there is a huge gap in Marathwada. And when Mukund was telling about value addition actually, value addition. You can do real value addition if you market your product in a right market basically, where you get a proper value. मुझे जब मैंने मशीन्स को इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में जब मैंने रखा, तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि जिम्बाब्वे है, जाम्बिया है, मालावी है, देयर आर सो मेनी कंट्रीज जहाँ पर है ना इंडियन क्वालिटी इज रियली अप्रिशिएटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू देयर अफोर्डेबिलिटी. बट हम कभी जाते नहीं हैं वहाँ पर. एंड व्हाई दे विल कम टू जालना? They will not come to Marathwada. We need to go out. Participation in international exhibitions and in export ecosystem is really very important for industries of Marathwada. I will give one or two examples. There are so many industries I see in Aurangabad, Jalna region. They are very competitive and they supply extremely good engineering products to Bajaj Auto, Skoda and different multinational companies. But whenever I talk to them, why don't you export it करके, तो उनके स्कैनर में जो है ना एक्सपोर्ट आता ही नहीं है. सो सबसे पहले यदि हमें मराठवाड़ा के लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा तो एमएसएमई को एक्सपोर्ट की जो वैल्यू चेन है उसका पार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. एक्चुअली उसका पार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. देयर विल बी रिजल्ट इन वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड में रिजल्ट मिलने का चांस है, क्योंकि वी हैव ऑलरेडी वेरी गुड कॉम्पिटिटिव कैपेबिलिटी. लास्ट थिंग, इसमें कंटिन्यूएशन में कहूँगा कि जालना का इकोसिस्टम एक समय क्या था वो बाद में बात करेंगे. इट इज़ अ पास्ट, बट आज वो इकोसिस्टम क्या है वो मैं बताता हूँ. मेरे फैक्ट्री से यदि मुझे 2 बजे ईमेल आता है कि सम पार्ट इज नीडेड टू माय फॉरेन कस्टमर, अराउंड 4 o'clock उसको पैक करके मैं DHL के हाथ में देता हूँ. DHL की गाड़ी मेरे गेट पे से वो मटेरियल पिकअप करती है. शाम को 7, 7:30 की फ्लाइट से इट कम्स टू मुंबई. अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग 4 या 5 बजे की फ्लाइट से इट गोज टू दुबई, and by 11:30 to 2 o'clock you can see it is out for delivery. That basic ecosystem is now in place, but are we ready to exploit it?
Sunil bhai, thank you for real life example. I think 2 things are important. We as MSME, वी शुड नो कि भाई मैं इंडिया का मार्केट अच्छे से केटर करता हूँ तो दुनिया में 180 कंट्री ऐसे जहाँ पे मेरी क्वालिटी, मेरी वे ऑफ वर्किंग चलने वाली है. माई आईज शुड बी ओपन, माई स्कैनर शुड बी ऑन. एंड नंबर 2, फ्रॉम गवर्नेंस साइड, इफ रियली वी वांट टू डेवलप मराठवाड़ा एंड ब्रिंग दैट रीजन अप, एक्सेलरेट द ग्रोथ, देन whatever required to promote this value chain, then those mechanisms will have to be in place, that ease of business will have to be in place, that administrative mechanism should be in place. Sir, ये आपने कहा कि this is quite right that there is one market in the world which we can cater to today, just like that. Use of new education policy and try to drive it. But I think government is a major source through education department. You were also in our informal discussion was telling about. Maybe quickly you can narrate your experience with district collector in 25 years planning of the district. Maybe a very brief input.
Maharashtra government has taken up a big task of making a strategic plan for every district. I was one of the member in that committee, and when final report was to be submitted, I saw that there was no strategic plan from education department basically. Then I asked Honorable Collector that all our efforts of making 5 trillion economy, everything will fail if we don't have any strategy from education department, okay, where they really wants to take the education in next 50 years. So really that subject is very important. But I will add one more thing to everybody. I will say that in my factory we have 30% woman employee doing highly technical CNC design and work on shop floor actually. In Marathwada, as Gite sir was also pointing it out, that people are lazy. I really support you, but that is only 50% true. वुमन मैन पावर ऑफ मराठवाड़ा वो बहुत मेहनत करती है एक्चुअली, एंड दे हैव ए zeal to come up. Unfortunately, all our policy, including industry, also does not have focus how to increase participation of women in manufacturing, basically. In service sector, really there is a good participation, but in manufacturing, we need to increase participation of women, which is very productive manpower.
Sir, well taken. I think two very prominent inputs. A, the school level revamping has to be there, whether it is Kiran, whether it is Giteji, or whether it is Sunil Bhai. We will have to hope government you are listening. The school infrastructure, the school way of looking at it, educating students, making use of new education policy is an essential requirement. Mindset is a problem. Probably all of us will have to work on that. We really cannot isolate and give responsibility to anyone. And second is women employment. They are developing skill, they are hardworking, and probably that can bring the change. I will take